Engoo, my honest review and user experience. Is this language learning platform worth it? Learning a new language can be overwhelming, but platforms like Engoo promise an easy and flexible solution. I recently tried Engoo, and here's my honest review. Most people assume online language platforms are generic and impersonal, but the surprising truth about Engoo is that it connects you with real tutors live for one-on-one lessons. There's no pre-recorded content. Every session is interactive, and lessons can be customized to your skill level and goals. Getting started is straightforward. You create an account, pick your target language, in my case, English, and select your preferred time slots. The platform allows access to hundreds of tutors from around the world, so you can choose based on ratings, availability, and even teaching style. Lessons are flexible, with 25-minute sessions that fit easily into a busy schedule. I found this perfect for maintaining consistency without feeling overwhelmed. Each lesson includes structured topics, like business English or conversation practice, and the tutors are proactive, correcting mistakes and giving practical examples. Engoo also provides free resources such as lesson notes and PDF materials. Progress tracking is simple, showing your completed lessons and areas for improvement. Over a few weeks, I noticed tangible improvements in fluency, vocabulary, and confidence, proof that consistent, interactive practice works. Pricing is competitive, starting at £1 per lesson for a monthly plan. Compared to other online tutoring platforms, it offers great value for live, personalised instruction. The only drawback is that quality can vary depending on the tutor, so it may take a few sessions to find someone whose style matches yours. In conclusion, Engoo is an effective, flexible, and affordable language learning platform. If you want live interaction with real tutors and a personalised approach to learning, it's worth trying. With Engoo, language learning is not just convenient, it's engaging, practical, and results-driven.